Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. We were just working on a Cat 5 project in our home to set up our internet, and we used these little plugs from Ideal. These were just the thing we needed to run these cables and to make sure that we had nice strong connections where we need them. So we got a set of 100 of these plugs. These are Cat 5e feed through RJ45 modular plugs. These work along with the Ideal Crimp tool, and we use these together and it did an excellent job. So you have the little feed through ports and it helps to keep all of your little wires separate so there's no inadvertent contacts outside of the plug. So if you have to do any sort of work with this, these are an excellent choice. You get a lot of them, they are an excellent quality, and they're also affordable and easy to use. So we were really glad to have these for our project and really happy with how it turned out. And that's my point of view.